Ninth problem, if A, B, C are angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle means angles in a triangle is equals to sum of all angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. Then prove that sine square A by 2 plus sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2 is equals to 1 minus 2 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sine C by 2. So let us start this problem. We will take the LHS. So in solution, let us write LHS. So LHS is sine square A by 2 sine square B by 2 minus sine square C by 2. We know one formula, that is cos A is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square if it is theta. So cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. If we send this to that side and bring this to this side, it will be 2 sine square theta by 2, 1 minus cos theta. 2 goes down. So it will become sine square theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 minus cos theta by 2. So here we can write, in place of sine square A by 2, 1 by 2 minus cos theta, that is cos A by 2, plus 1 by 2 minus cos B by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus into minus is plus cos C by 2. This by 2 is for this whole. Now we can take out 1 by 2 common, or else we can cancel it here. 1 by 2 minus, if we take out 1 by 2 from this 2, we get 1 by 2 cos A plus cos B. Here minus is also common, plus cos C by 2. We know that the formula for cos A plus cos B or cos C plus cos D is cos C plus cos D is equals to 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now we can write 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos C. Here we can cancel this 2 and 2. Now 1 by 2 minus this cos A plus B by 2 can be written as, so we are having 3 angles. If we add these 3 angles, we get 180 degrees. Why? Because this all angles belongs to a triangle. Let us send this C to that side. So A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. When we divide this by 2, we will get A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 by 2 is 90. So 90 minus C by 2. Next, we will apply cos on both sides. We get cos of A plus B by 2 is equals to cos of 90 minus C by 2. On 90, cos becomes sine. So sine C by 2. For cos A plus B by 2, we have got sine C by 2. Sine C by 2 cos A minus B by 2 plus half cos C. This cos C can be written as, if we want to write, we can reverse these steps. So here cos C let us write here cos theta is equals to 1 minus 2 sine square theta by 2. We can write like this. So we will send this to that side. It will become 2 sine square theta by 2 is equals to 1 minus cos theta. 2 comes down. So it will be sine square theta by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 minus half cos c, cos theta. So let us sine square theta by 2 is equals to half minus half cos theta. So if we write this here, we will get like this, half cos theta is equals to half minus sine square theta by 2. So we can write 1 by 2 minus sine square c by 2. So half plus half is 1 minus, we can take out sine c by 2, sine square c by 2, sine c by 2 from both common. So sine c by 2. So we have got cos a minus b by 2 and minus sine c by 2. For this sine c by 2, we can write again cos a plus b by 2. So 1 minus sine c by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus cos a plus b by 2. Yes. Here we have taken out sine c by 2 common. So when we are taking sine c by 2 common, we are also taking minus common. That's why we will put plus here. Next, for cos a plus b, we are having cos a plus cos b formula, that is cos c plus cos d formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. So let us write 1 minus sine c by 2. So 2 cos a minus b by 2 plus a plus b by 2 by 2 cos a minus b by 2 minus a plus b by 2 by 2. So 1 minus sine c by 2, 2 cos, the LCM of these 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, a minus b plus a plus b cos, the LCM of 2 is 2, 2 by 2, 2 2s are 4. So a minus b, minus into plus minus a, minus into plus minus b, minus b plus b cancel, plus a minus a cancel. So 1 minus sine c by 2, we can write this 2 here, cos 2a by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, cos minus 2b by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now we can write 1 minus 2 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Here we can write, we can ignore this minus. Why? Because inside cos, if negative is there, it will become positive. So we can write cos b by 2, cos a by 2 and sine c by 2. This is nothing but RH.